everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you my Amazon order that was on my back porch when I got home yesterday. I had received a couple of monetary gifts several weeks ago, and I placed my Amazon order on September the 13th. Now it was supposed to arrive no later than September the 22nd, but I did not receive it until yesterday, October the 17th. Now that's 25 days late, and that's 34 days from the date that I ordered it. But since so much time had elapsed since I first placed my order, I was concerned that the box would be really beat up and the contents might be damaged, but that was not the case. The box was in perfect condition and the items inside were intact. So I was relieved that nothing was damaged. So I'm just going to kind of show you how it, when I open it up, what it looked like. So this is how it is when I open it up. They had all these little air packs here to keep all these items from moving around in the box. But so everything had stayed in place really good. So I really was happy when I saw it, when I first opened it up. So let's get started taking the stuff out and let you see what I got. Now the first item I have is not knitting or crochet related, but this is the Eversprout Cobweb duster, and it came in this canister. Let me move it out of the way. But it came in this canister, and I've already opened it up and taken it out. But these are hand packed. But we get a lot of cobwebs on the outside of our home in the fall. And I had seen on YouTube that you could clean them with one of these dusters. So it's just a regular, you can just screw it onto a long pole. And we have a painter's pole. So they sent this card with it. I'll show you the card. It says, Eversprout Cobweb Duster. Say bye-bye to cobwebs, bugs, and dust. And it tells you how to use it. And that it's a twist-on design, and how to clean it, and how it's hand packaged, and that the bristles will fan out with time and use. So I haven't used it yet, but I hope to use it this week, and I might let you know how it worked out in another video. But I was excited to get that. Now the next item that I got are these Knitpicks options. Short, interchangeable knitting needles. These are nickel plated. I hope I'm not allergic to nickel, but I'll find out. But these are really short knitting needles. And these are a 16-inch. Once you put them together with the cord, they will be 16 inches. And hold on, and I'll take them out of this little extra packaging. Okay, I took them out of that other little plastic bag, but they come in this. Some people have complained about this little plastic pouch, but it is really a neat compact size. See, compared to my hand, it's small. And it's got sizes US 4 through US 10. And these are pretty short tips. They're either 2 or 2.5 inches. But maybe I'll do a review on these later after I've used them. And it has 2 other little compartments in the back. These are separate compartments. It has the little cord, and it has these little stoppers. It also has a key that you use to tighten it up. This little key right here. And it has an extension thing too, where you can, a cord connector, I think. But I have not used these kind of knitting needles before, but we'll see how they turn out. And on the back of this little package, it has how to assemble them. And it has a little bit of information. It talks about the cables and stuff. But maybe in a later video, I'll do a review of these. And the last item I got was this Ledgle Neck Light. Now this is the light that is recommended by the Secret Yarnery. And she has a link that you can use to get to Amazon to purchase this. So I decided that I would try it and see what I think of it. And I've not really tried it yet, but it came in this little box. It says that it has 6 levels of brightness and it's rechargeable. And so it has this little charging cord here. And it also has this little strap where you can strap it together and keep the cord in the neck light. And here's this side of the box with some more information about it. The model number, and it's rechargeable, the specifications, 2.5 hours for a full charge. And the length is 5.5 inches. So anyway, this is the items that I got in my little Amazon order. And I really appreciate those people that gave me those gifts so that I could place this order. But thanks for watching my video, and I hope to come back and let you know how I like these items that I ordered. Thank you. Bye-bye.